Hello, Makale. How are you? Yes, this is Dr. Suman Muhammad. I'm your NEET mentor. See here, yesterday, last night, okay, NEET, India is officially announced a NEET admit codes. NEET admit codes. Everyone waiting for NEET admit code. So why a NEET admit code? We have to see our location, where we go to the center to write the exam. Okay, now we have only 6 days. 6 days. We have only 6 days for our NEET exam, NEET 2026 exam. We are waiting from 1 year. We have to write the exam. So officially, okay, so we have to go for search nda.nic.in. Okay, search just nda.nic.in. We will get a website that is neetindia.nic.in. Okay, just enter into that. Enter into that. We have to see that in a first release of admit code for candidates of NEET UG 2026. Okay, now so we have to click on that. Okay, you will get that PDF. Okay, you will get a PDF that how it is. Okay, now but actually we have to go for, see here in down we have admit code for NEET UG 2026. NEET admit code for NEET UG 2026. See here, this is the application. Okay, we have to enter our application number. Application number. When we applied for NEET exam, we got application number and we have entered the password also, and security pin is down. So when you forget your password, whenever you forget the password, just click on forgot password. Just click on forgot password. You will get the OTP like that into the registered mobile number. And NTA also announced another alternate link. Whenever this link is not worked, you have to go for alternate link. It is also best. See here. Okay, it is also same like that. You can download your admit code. Okay, now these times everyone panic on how we got the exam paper, how we are going to attempt the exam paper. Our center is too much long, and we are panic, sir. We didn't complete anything. Every student feels like that. When I am writing for NEET exam, I have written 3 times. When I am going to the center, I feel like same. Like so many students are coming, so many students are going to compete as at the center. We are seeing a number of students, number of centers. We are the one, number one. We are the one. Just feel like we are the one. We are going to write the exam. We are going to write and crack the NEET 2026 exam. Okay, this year will be the yours. Okay, this year will be yours. And see, write your name. Okay, before doctor. You have to become a doctor like me. Okay, this is your own promise. Okay, now don't panic at all. Okay, I will be there with you. These 6 days, I will be mentoring biology and chemistry for you. Okay, now all the very best, my dear students.